Ever struggle to fit your Canva designs into different sizes without starting from scratch? Today, I'm revealing the secret resize option in Canva that will change the way you design forever. First, make sure you're on Canva Pro because this feature is exclusive to Pro users. If you haven't upgraded yet, now might be the perfect time. Once you're ready, open the design you want to resize. Look at the top menu bar, you'll see a button labeled Resize. Click it and suddenly a whole new world of possibilities opens up. Canva smartly suggests popular sizes for social media, presentations, or prints. If one of these fits your needs, just select it and you're done. But what if you need something completely custom? No problem. Click on Custom Size next to the suggested options. Here, you can enter the exact width and height you want, in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters, whatever works best for your project. Once your dimensions are set, hit Resize this design and watch Canva instantly transform your template to the perfect size. It's that simple, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. So, to recap, ensure you're on Canva Pro, open your design, click Resize, pick a suggested size or enter a custom one, and let Canva do the magic. With this secret trick, you can adapt any template to your exact vision, saving time and unlocking new creative possibilities. Go ahead, experiment, and watch your design shine in any format. Happy designing.